Okay, so the questions were, what will happen if the Andromeda and the Milky Way galaxies collide? How many galaxies are in our local group, and how many galaxies are in our universe? Okay, so to answer the first question, what will happen if the Andromeda and Milky Way collide? In about 4.5 billion years, they will collide. The solar system will most likely be unharmed, but we probably won't be alive until then. Okay, so first, the gravitational interaction. As the galaxies collide, the gravitational forces of each will cause them to twist and bend, and they'll be distorted. As they move through each other, the form and structure of them will be reshaped. For the star collisions, even though the galaxies contain billions of stars, the distance between them is vast. So individual collisions are unlikely. The stars will be flung into new orbits around new things because of the gravitational forces. This could trigger new stars in the gas-rich regions. The Milky Way and the Andromeda both have supermassive black holes in the center of each. So they'll eventually spiral towards each other and create an even bigger black hole. This will release a tremendous amount of energy in the form of gravitational waves. The final result will probably be a new, larger elliptical galaxy because of the merge of the two galaxies. The galaxy will be named either Milkomeda or Milkdromeda, and it'll have a totally new and different shape than what we have now. So how many galaxies are in our local group? There are about 54 galaxies in total in our local group. The Milky Way and Andromeda are the biggest and well-known galaxies. Some other notable galaxies are the Triangulum Galaxy, the Large Magellanic Cloud, and the Small Magellanic Cloud. Most of the other galaxies in the local group are dwarf galaxies, which are much smaller in size and mass than the Milky Way and Andromeda. Okay, so how many galaxies are in our universe? So far, scientists don't know the exact count or even close to the number of galaxies in our entire universe, but they do have an estimate for the observable one. This estimate is over 2 trillion galaxies. We don't know how big the universe is outside of the observable one, so it is impossible to make an estimate. If the universe is infinite, there could be an infinite amount of galaxies, but we don't know yet.